Evening, party people. I'm at my boat. It's 88 degrees out here. For some reason I wanted to check it. I don't know why. Just because it feels like all kind of just sprinkled here. You can see. So it seems like it's kept some of that chemical crap. Maybe it kind of knocked it down some, or I hope, because it's not as crappy that way. It's just crappy with all the stormy clouds. It's just been spitting rain. No lightning, no thunder. Just rain off and on. Just rain off and on, people. So everybody be safe out there.